Ka komiti ka bala thung da ka yeng kasari ban Khmih banya ha ka baya day ba ka Jingtih Beaiñ yaw Dewïong ka bala clear the retired justice BP Katakey kala pen ngau ba kala long ka badon kam ban dan ki ba Khmih halor ka kamti Dewïong Beaiñ wat la ka jella ka yo byang ya ka lat ban sedang banti Dewïong ling ba ka scientific coal mining. Yakane retired justice BP Katakey ula pen ngau ha ka sngi bo lom jeng ya lang ban ya kren halor ka kaipot ka bala yo priang halor ka aerial survey ban yo jing ken yaw Dewïong ubala ken bat ubam pat ken. Retired justice Katakey ha bajubab halor ka jingkli ka bala bu akamat jong ula ong badai ban dan ka bor ban Khmih halor ka ni namar ka Jingtih Beaiñ yaw Dewïong ban ong hi ba kam dan kamla ban long. Ula pen pau bakat kum ka jingtip ka bola yo ka long bagi ba aya ka jingbet na ka benta ka scientific mining ka don ka close ka bala benshat ya ka kamram haki nongti Dewïong ban taplot ya ki thliu ki ba don hapo ka 10 kilometer na ka jaka ka bagi trai.
There has to be an authority to oversee it. Nobody can rule out that possibility if the illegal mining goes on here in Meghalaya. But one thing I have been told that in the permission or whatever may be the permit given for scientific mining, there is a clause. I have not seen it, but I have been told there is a clause where the responsibility has been fixed on the scientific miner to close all the pit heads found within the 1 kilometer radius of their operational area.
Nalor kita uloong bau Dewïong ubala syam shabar jog depo bala boat Daka Coal India Limited CIL udai ubala ken Beaiñ hapo ka jella bat ka dei ka kamram jong ka sarkar jella ban le ya ka badon kam kat kum ka MMDR Act.
Whenever any coal is found presently, because all the inventory coal have been shifted to the centralized depot. So therefore, as on date, whatever coal is outside the centralized depot, CIL setup depot, all are illegal in the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, any coal found other than in the centralized depot or designated depot is illegal coal. It is therefore the government's responsibility to act under the MMDR. My mandate given by the High Court was implementation of the Supreme Court direction and the NGT's direction. That means to oversee the auction of inventory coal and to make an attempt, rather to, to stop the illegal coal mining activities, which includes the mining as well as the transportation. My entire effort is as per the mandate of the High Court. I will not say anything relating to the failure or otherwise of any authority. Whatever I have to say, I have already said in my reports. Maybe I have submitted 27th or 28th report. Exact number I forgot, maybe 27. In the last report I have mentioned that illegal mining at least few districts was going on in my last report. The complaints filed by 4 or 5 individuals. Yes. That inquiry as directed by me has been conducted by Mr. Nawabhata Saiji and who has submitted a report. But he said that certain physical verification is required to be done, and the Deputy Commissioner therefore has been directed by the government to make the physical verification and submit a report within a week, and which I am expecting within a week from now. The subsequent inquiry report to be conducted and submitted by Deputy Commissioner is yet to be submitted.
And then the report of this area survey is...
Oh yes, that has been submitted on 19th March. But I want certain clarification, for which I had a meeting today with the person, the organization who has been entrusted by the government to conduct the survey. And I have asked them to give me those clarification, which I am expecting by tomorrow. I will have the discussion tomorrow because Deputy Commissioners, I didn't ask them to participate in today's meeting, and we'll discuss that tomorrow.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balai hi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing man toy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f manta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya